What's up guys, welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel, and today we are actually doing a quick unboxing of CCTV IP camera, and this is from company SANNCE. So let's get started. We started the second part of the video, and in this part of the video you will see how to configure this SANNCE HD wireless IP camera. So we will not go through this user guide. I know how to configure, I guess, so we will try it once by ourselves. So first of foremost thing is to power on the camera. So what I will do is I will power on the camera. I will just put the socket here and we'll see. So I have put the socket here, no action is there. We'll see what is happening. So basically I'm taking it out and putting it once again. Still no action is there. Thought my friends that the camera is having some issues or what, it was not connecting, but what I found is when you power it on, you have to wait some 10 seconds or some 20 seconds unless it will give you a message, welcome to connect. So we'll wait for it. We are actually looking that it is powered on.
Welcome to use.
So now it is powered on. It says that welcome to use, please connect. So let's now connect it and we'll see with the app. So we'll go and we'll type SANNCE SA. So it is moving, it is doing some self check. You can see this camera is moving here. I will focus it a little bit. So here is our mobile, SANNCE, SANNCE. My internet is actually issues here, my friend, and you can see it is doing itself cycles. You can see the IR LED is glowing over there, and it just again came down. Yeah, so we have the SANNCE cam here, so we'll download this cam. Accept. So while it is getting downloaded, my friends, I'll tell you how to configure actually. So once it is downloaded, you have to go to the SANNCE app and add a device. So there are a couple of ways to actually add a device. You can give a name and then you can scan the QR code. So we will be searching with the basically with the QR code. That's the easiest way, and now it is actually detecting the QR code. So basically the QR code is on the back side. I don't think so light is proper enough for it to scan the QR code. Yeah, it does scan the QR code. So password, anyways, I will keep it now as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is fine for me as of now, and then done. So now it is offline. We'll see, it will come online. So basically we have to connect to Wi-Fi, I think so. Okay, we will connect. So basically you can see Wi-Fi configuration. Please make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. After input the Wi-Fi password, please put the phone close to the camera and click start configuration Wi-Fi. So I will punch in my password and all that details. So as you can see, it is asking for Wi-Fi password. I'll put in the Wi-Fi password. and difficult process is there, my friends. So I will actually make it very simple. You have to connect to your Wi-Fi to get this running. So 60 seconds, so it will beep like this, and it is actually trying to connect with the camera. So we'll wait. And it's such a smart camera, so it will actually tell you what it is doing in the backside. It will say connection start, power on, and all that stuff it will say. So that is good part of it. The booting is actually a problem, because once it gets booted, it takes some time to come up for the device, and I felt that. So now connection is successful. You can see the Wi-Fi cam is here. We'll just go to the Wi-Fi cam and see what all this is there. So we'll click on this. So it is actually done. So you can see. So password is a mistake, so we'll put a password. So let's put a password. Go to settings. Oh, sorry, we've given a wrong password. So again, the same thing we have to do. Password should be none, I guess. That's the deal here. So let me see. Password mistakes. Okay, so we'll go and we'll try to configure it once more. Let's start with it. Add a device, wireless connection, camera. Next, have given me my password. Start configuration. Let's see the manual also, what it does. It says, so you'll open the manual. It does says that go to wireless configuration. So as you can see, the fourth option, and the one it says that, and then it actually asks you for Wi-Fi password, and then it says password. Okay, so camera shows up. After that, the ID shows up. So you have to put empty password, my friends. You have to put empty password. So we are at this point as of now. So you can see we are at this point. So now figure 7 and figure 8 says, okay, so now we'll go here and we'll not keep password, we'll keep as done. Okay, the equipment already exists. I don't know why it shows exist. So let's give it password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's see. Already exists. So let us name it as 1. Okay, the name already exists. So DID basically already exists. That's the thing it is showing. So let's keep it done. No, it is not taking. Okay, so remove the password. Done. No, it is not seeking. Go to list. Password mistake. I can't delete this device or what? Okay, I will try to configure it and we'll be back. The option to delete it. So we'll delete this one and we'll recreate the device. Add a device. Go to wireless configuration. Camera. Go to next. Password is already given. Start config. Now basically it says that the password has to be kept empty, so that's the deal here. If I can see, yeah, password has to be empty. Okay, we'll keep it empty. So now it is done. Let's go to this, and what if we don't keep a password? Let's keep it done. So now it says empty password. So let's go and give a password. Yeah, now it is the correct. So administrator password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Sorry. Let's show the password. That will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. User will be my name. Password will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Later on we can configure it once more, so we'll keep it done and let's start playing with it. So it's right now connecting, and obviously I'm standing in front of it, so let's see. So let's go to the setting. Again it's showing to us offline. I think so this Wi-Fi issue or what, I don't know. So I'll fix it.
Welcome to use.
Yeah, now it is actually saying welcome to use. So
connection successful.
I think so this camera is a bit slow cam, that's what. Okay, now it has been used, camera is moving and you can see the clarity. I am standing in front of the cam, it's moving all aside. You can see it's moved 360, basically 350. Okay, this is down, so we'll move to one side and we'll see. We'll move it to left, we'll move it to right, and then we'll move it to down, up, no, down. Okay, so let's focus it to this manual, so you can see the clarity. Lot of things are here. Sound is here, so you can see the sound is coming. Okay, so snapshot is here, the picture is saved, then recording is here, then you can stop that, and then this is, I guess, I'm not aware, but let's see. Okay, so once video is running, then you can actually take this. So I'll move it like this, and then this is the brightness level, good enough, and this is the contrast. Oh, super. So you can set the brightness and the contrast. This is video default size, and this is light, infrared, open and close. So let's move and keep the room in the darkness and let's test it out. So anyways, Alexa is here, so I will tell her to move this one, and I will move it a little bit to the bedroom side. Basically I want to move it this side, so you can see. So now that it has moved to my stuff side, so you can see. So now we will ask Alexa to switch off the lights and see. Alexa, turn off bedroom lights.
Sorry, the hub that device bedroom light connected to isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
Alexa, turn off study room lights. Okay, so bedroom lights I will manually switch off. Now it is full darkness, so let's see night vision. Okay, so you can see the night vision quality, and it's obviously very good. I mean, I have to say it's good, but it's close to 8 to 10 meters. So I'm putting my hands here, you can see this, my hands, and then obviously we can move it. So quite good, and 1080p actually rocks. Camera is little slow, that's what I can say, but we can do with it. So Alexa, turn on study room lights.
Okay.
So now that we have turned on the lights, and you can see it switched to the normal mode, and night vision is gone. So this camera rocks, my friends, and it's an NVR camera. So I'll go back and I'll show you the NVR settings on this. Basically it's from here. So lot of settings are there, and I told you ONVIF, so this is the best part of it. So you will have ONVIF setting and ONVIF control on this. I think so the camera is trying to focus. I'll get it closer. So So device information, Wi-Fi setting, user setting, time setting, alarm setting, FTP setting. You can put the recordings on the FTP side. Mail settings, yeah, it can trigger mail when any motion detection is happening. SD setting, that is the SD card settings, and obviously ONVIF setting, DDNS setting, alias setting, and voice language settings, LED settings. So lot of settings here, my friend, and it rocks actually. So we'll see. And obviously this software version is latest, so I don't think so it is having a problem. And I have set so message is nothing, no message as of here. So they say that it's a weak password, we will set it to a high password. That's not a problem. But yeah, my friends, this camera is rocks, and it is actually up to the mark, and it does shows you the date and time and everything, and you can see you can move it from right to left, left to right. So basically it's a 350 degree, and it is good actually. The camera quality is indeed very good. If I just see the cameras which are there in the market, which do have the capabilities like 1080p, but this camera actually rocks. So 1080p at this weak light condition is actually good. So I will switch on my other light and I will just check it out. So while the light is coming on, you can see the camera quality is actually indeed very good. Alexa, turn on bedroom lights. So now that I have turned on the lights, and then you can see the camera quality. So indeed very good. So that's all my friends for this video. I think so I will put a SD card in this. Basically 64 GB support is there, so I'll put a 64 GB, and I may use Ethernet because I think so Wi-Fi signal is slow, or this camera is low. I'm not very sure about it, but yeah, this camera rocks, and it's a good product from SANNCE. The only thing is the switching on time. So we'll see what is this, and we'll check out other aspects also. So you can buy this camera from the links in the description. You can go through the links in the description, and then you can buy this product. It's a good product, and it's available on Amazon. It's available on AliExpress. I bought from AliExpress. There are a lot of vendors. This original camera, originality has only one thing in the packet. You will find this one. I'll get the packet and I'll show you. So basically, original cameras will come with this kind of packets, and the QR code mentioned on them will be actually accurate. So this white packet is actually original, whereas there is another one packet which is actually green color, so that is actually duplicate. That's what I have heard. So that's all, my friend. That's all for this video. Please subscribe our channel and do like, share our videos. This camera is having a smart capability, so and NVR capability, so we'll be doing on the remote viewing thing. But with this thing, we are actually on the same Wi-Fi zone. So basically the remote viewing is happening, but on the same Wi-Fi zone. It's not happening over the cloud, so we'll put that cloud thing also. But as you can see, this camera quality in my mobile, it's very nice actually. So 1080p is there. We'll test out that 1080p also. Thank you for watching this video. Please bear with me, it was a long video since we had to configure it. And do subscribe our channel, like, share our videos. Vivek signing off from Innovative Edge Technologies. Thank you.